Hello.
Huh? Mommy, are you sick? Hello, Dad. Mom is sick.
Can you take care of Mommy? I'll be right back.
Okay. I'm a doctor. Checking temperature. Dear mommy, you will be alright. I'm a doctor. Checking temperature. Dear mommy, you will be alright.
I have a fever.
I'll get you a cooling patch. I'm a doctor. Here's a cooling patch. Dear mommy, you will be alright. I'm a doctor. Here's a bandage. Dear mommy, you will be alright. Mom, you'll get well soon. I'm a doctor. Here's some water. Drink some warm water. You will be alright. I'm a doctor. Here's some water. Drink some warm water. You will be alright. Huh? Daddy! Daddy! Hi.
Oh, Mommy is sick. She needs to rest. Promise, Daddy, please keep quiet and be good kids.
Okay.